There are a number of resolutions that the NEC has passed. There's a resolution on the public sector wage negotiations, and we are expressing solidarity with the public sector workers. And we're calling on the government to find creative ways to settle the negotiations. For example, some of the issues that have been raised are not cash. They are not directly wage negotiate. They are not wage settlements. They are non-wage settlements, which we believe the government can settle. The teachers have indicated out of 65 claims, they have only received responses to 3. We have called for the police wage negotiations to be removed from the overall public sector wage negotiations and to be treated separately, because the circumstances under which the police work are, there are no other set of public sector workers who are subjected to that. So there are a number of things that we believe the government can do, which doesn't necessarily involve having to upfront cash. And we are expressing our solidarity with the public sector workers, and we are asking the government to deal with it in an expeditious manner.